Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash, and in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY for 24th March. So this video is for 24th March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for the 25th March. Okay, so you can see that market was in uptrend, and right now market is trading below the 50 moving average. Just like Euro Japanese yen, market was in beautiful uptrend. There was no doubt. Okay, but it has broken the support and right now trading below the 50 moving average. Okay, the beautiful story is over, and you can see that right now it has given a breakout towards the downside. Okay, but this is not the ideal position to short the market because you can see market is in oversold zone right now, so this is not the ideal position to short the market. Okay, anyways, we can let me show you. Okay, so if I hide the uptrend part, you can easily tell that yes, the party or the uptrend is over, and right now market market is in range right now. Okay, so the picture is not clear. Okay, only thing that is clear right now is that if market goes up to the 152.53 level, this level, and if it gives us some reversal sign, okay, or from price rejection from below, then we can short the market at 152.53 level. Okay, but otherwise nothing is clear. Okay, one thing that you can do for the market is that, see, as things have gone pretty wild here. Okay, you can just wait for this stochastic RSI, which is in oversold zone right now, to go to the overbought zone. Okay, when stochastic RSI will be in overbought zone, okay, then you just look at the position of the price. If you see that price is about to reverse from reverse. Suppose price move to this level, okay, 150.5 level. Okay, just look at the price. If you see that price is in overbought zone and it is showing some price rejection from above, like a hammer or a big red candle like this. Okay, or it can be a bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, once you get a confirmation that price is about to reverse again, okay, then you can short the market because market will be in overbought zone, and that will be a safe position to enter into trade. But as of now, though you're seeing a clear breakout towards the downside, but market is in oversold zone, so it is not a wise decision to short the market. Okay, wait for the market to move to the overbought zone, then you watch the position of the price. If you see that price is about to reverse again, then you can short the market. Okay, otherwise, if market is in this range, then you do not need to trade because this is not a valid support also. Okay, I have just drawn this line because in this point market opened yesterday. Okay, yes, you can short market only at 152.53 level if you see some price rejection from above. Okay, so this week is very dull. Okay, just like the other major currency pairs, things are not very bright. Okay, so most of the major currency pairs are in a range right now, so nothing much to do. So hopefully you've understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow with the analysis for 25th. Thank you. Bye bye.